cutting height is determined by a combination of the header tilt angle and the skid shoe or gauge roller position. Ideally, adjust the cutting height for optimum cutting performance and to prevent buildup inside the disc header. Excessive buildup of mud and soil can lead to poor crop flow and increased wear on cutting components. Lowering the skid shoes or gauge rollers and decreasing the header tilt angle increases the cutting height, resulting in higher stubble that allows for better air movement around the windrower, which helps the material dry faster. This may also be desirable in stony conditions to help reduce damage to the cutting components. Raising the skid shoes or gauge rollers and increasing the header tilt angle decreases the cutting height, resulting in shorter stubble. The adjustable skid shoes or gauge rollers have 3 position settings: the lowest working position, intermediate working position, and storage position. To adjust the skid shoe position, remove the linch pin and clevis pin from both sides of the skid shoe. Position the skid shoe in the desired position. Align the skid shoe holes with the mounting holes in the bracket. Replace the clevis pins and linch pins. It is important that you install the linch pins on the inboard side of the skid shoe. Repeat this procedure for the opposite side. If you have gauge rollers, remove the 2 linch pins and clevis pins from the gauge roller plates. To set the gauge rollers in the lowest working position, swing the gauge roller forward and align the holes in the gauge roller plate to the bottom hole of the mounting plate. Secure with clevis pin. To set the gauge rollers in the intermediate working position, remove the clevis pin and linch pin and align the holes in the gauge roller plates to the top holes of the mounting plates. Secure with the clevis pins and linch pins. Install linch pins at the inboard side of the gauge roller.